1926.750 Scope. 1926.750 This subpart sets forth requirements to protect employees from the hazards associated with steel erection activities involved in the construction, alteration, and/or repair of single and multi-story buildings, bridges, and other structures where steel erection occurs. The requirements of this subpart apply to employers engaged in steel erection unless otherwise specified. This subpart does not cover electrical transmission towers, communication and broadcast towers, or tanks. Note to paragraph A. Examples of structures where steel erection may occur include, but are not limited to, the following: single and multi-story buildings, systems engineered metal buildings, lift slab/tilt-up structures, energy exploration structures, energy production, transfer and storage structures and facilities, auditoriums, malls, amphitheaters, stadiums, power plants, mills, chemical process structures, bridges, trestles, overpasses, underpasses, viaducts, aqueducts, aerospace facilities and structures, radar and communication structures, light towers, signage, billboards, scoreboards, conveyor systems, conveyor supports and related framing, stairways, stair towers, fire escapes, draft curtains, fire containment structures, monorails, aerialways, catwalks, curtain walls, window walls, storefronts, elevator fronts, entrances, skylights, metal roofs, industrial structures, high bay structures, rail, marine and other transportation structures, sound barriers, water process and water containment structures, air and cable supported structures, space frames, geodesic domes, canopies, racks and rack support structures and frames, platforms, walkways, balconies, atriums, penthouses, car dumpers, stackers/reclaimers, cranes and craneways, bins, hoppers, ovens, furnaces, stacks, amusement park structures and rides, and artistic and monumental structures. 1926.750 B1 Steel erection activities include hoisting, laying out, placing, connecting, welding, burning, guying, bracing, bolting, plumbing and rigging structural steel, steel joists and metal buildings, installing metal decking, curtain walls, window walls, siding systems, miscellaneous metals, ornamental iron and similar materials, and moving point to point while performing these activities. 1926.750 B2 The following activities are covered by this subpart when they occur during and are a part of steel erection activities: rigging, hoisting, laying out, placing, connecting, guying, bracing, dismantling, burning, welding, bolting, grinding, sealing, caulking, and all related activities for construction, alteration and or repair of materials and assemblies such as structural steel, ferrous metals and alloys, non-ferrous metals and alloys, glass, plastics and synthetic composite materials, structural metal framing and related bracing and assemblies, anchoring devices, structural cabling, cable stays, permanent and temporary bents and towers, false work for temporary supports of permanent steel members, stone and other non-precast concrete, architectural materials mounted on steel frames, safety systems for steel erection, steel and metal joists, metal decking and raceway systems and accessories, metal roofing and accessories, metal siding, bridge flooring, cold-formed steel framing, elevator beams, grillage, shelf racks, multi-purpose supports, crane rails and accessories, miscellaneous, architectural and ornamental metals and metalwork, ladders, railings, handrails, fences and gates, gratings, trench covers, floor plates, castings, sheet metal fabrications, metal panels and panel wall systems, louvers, column covers, enclosures and pockets, stairs, perforated metals, ornamental ironwork, expansion control including bridge expansion joint assemblies, slide bearings, hydraulic structures, fascias, soffit panels, penthouse enclosures, skylights, joint fillers, gaskets, sealants and seals, doors, windows, hardware, detention/security equipment and doors, windows and hardware, conveying systems, building specialties, building equipment, machinery and plant equipment, furnishings, and special construction. 1926.750 C. The duties of controlling contractors under this subpart include, but are not limited to, the duties specified in Secs. 1926.752 A and C. 1926.755 B. 2. 1926.759 B. and 1926.760 E.